first of all, welcome to Rosie AdVANture Time. We are gonna show you one of the boxes of toys that Rosie has in the van. Right now we have 4 of these boxes of toys. No shortage of toys here. So we're gonna show you what we carry with us. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Ooh. What we got?
Okay. Pinkie Pie.
We got a big Pinkie Pie.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, guys. I love camping in the camper because Butch is the best.
And it's Butch. Butch.
Over here. This one right here. Over here. Butch.
Oh yeah. Rainbow mermaid.
Rainbow mermaid. Rainbow mermaid. Hello, guys.
That's a weird name.
She color changes. She's pretty fabulous. My hair gets into a lighter colors. Pretty fabulous.
Hello.
Oh.
Sunset Shimmer.
Sunset Shimmer. She's been in a couple of our videos. She's been on AdVANtures with us.
And her then like you smash her with like a break thing. Oobleck.
Oh, yeah, she was in our Oobleck video. It's Sunset Shimmer. We are going to the Oobleck Spa.
But you don't like it though. I don't like it though. Get her out of here.
Oh my gosh, look at your hair is, oh my gosh. Now your hair is Oobleck. If I squeeze it, it's hard. And if it just drips, this is so gross.
Coral.
This is Coral.
Coral is our new unicorn.
Coral.
Christmas.
We got Coral for Christmas last year. She was last year's Christmas best present, I think. She's a robot unicorn. Her batteries are currently dead, but her head moves up and down and her horn lights up and she plays music when you lift up her paw, and you can press a button right there and talk to her and she'll repeat it. She's pretty cool. We love Coral and she needs new batteries.
But sometimes her kiss us.
Yeah, she does. She blows kisses. Oh, that's why her mouth opens. Pretty great.
And sometimes her eats our fingers.
Sometimes she eats our fingers. What else we got?
Just one.
We got a wand.
2 wands.
Oh, 2 wands. I had something like this when I was a kid. And then that's just a wand with a sparkly thingy. That's what we do our magic with. Bippity boppity boop.
Ready!
Ready. She is a
Mommy.
Chelsea doll.
Mommy, if we get her mom, you can call her Fire.
If we get her mom's name will be Fire. That's what we used to call this. Her name was Fire for a while until we learned her real name. What else we got?
She's Bluey. We call her Bluey because of blue.
Yeah, so this is Ready.
Well, we showed her.
I know, and this is Bluey. And you can guess why.
You know, every time we use her, it's red and
Oh
white.
yeah, she color changes in the water. Yeah, the breeze, her hair, her little thingy broke.
Hello.
Whoa. What's her name?
You know her name?
Mari.
Mari. This is Mari.
She is a
Mari.
mermaid high doll. Her tail is in here. A lot of hair. Her hair is a lot of fun.
And I'm gonna show her her stuff.
And her stuff came with some pretty cool stuff. Oh, here's all of her stuff. Glasses, a headband, mermaid high student ID, brush, a little shell laptop.
Okay.
These are really cool. The magnetic rocks. Boop.
We lost all our little ones.
Yeah, we used to have little ones and they got lost.
And now we got big ones.
Now we got big ones. They're pretty cool. We like to play with those and see what's magnetic and what's not magnetic, and they're really strong, so you can put them like under the table and move stuff around, and that's fun too.
Atlas.
Atlas, the Arctic fox. La, 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 la. Little beanie boo.
We're lost in June. Lost in Atlanta.
This was full of magical gems, but it's...
We lost them at Atlanta.
Yeah, I didn't know we got them out at Liam's house. We got more Chelseas.
Adley.
This is Adley! And then we got a little baby ballerina Chelsea. I'm vintage. Cotton candy.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello.
We've named her
Chocolate.
Chocolate. I don't remember what these dolls are called, but they're really cool because like her knees bend and her legs bend and her arm, like her shoulder and her elbow and her hand bends. So like you can do all kinds of like, and what?
I don't know if they're fairy time.
Oh.
But maybe not on the back for her to come out.
What is it? Oh, I see a little toe. I see the
For
little
the
toes.
For the fairy to get out, you have to put these 2 hearts together. You think
Oh. This is the secret to getting the fairy to come out. You put the two hearts together and then the fairy comes out. Fairy! What's her name?
Blueberry.
So she's pretty cool too. She lights up. I don't know if you'll be able to see her. If you push the little button on her chest, it lights up her wings. Yeah, she came with this that we don't quite really know what it is. This little container, it glows, like it glitters, like there's fairy lights inside. What else we got? Mood mud.
It's jiggly.
It's jiggly. It's kind of like, it's not sticky.
Oh, it changed colors.
Yeah, it changes colors as you play with it. Kind of like slime, but it's not sticky at all.
Yeah.
Changes colors as it heats up. Grandma?
Oh, we've got to show them these weapons.
Songbird serenade.
Serenade.
So we got a whole bunch of ponies. We got even more ponies than this. I told her she could only bring the ones that fit into this bag.
No.
Who we got?
Guy.
Nightmare Moon, Princess Luna. These are the nice and the bad guy version of the same pony.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Hello! I love the forest and I love all the little forest animals. Rainbow Dash. There's two of these. There's one with cherries and there's one with flowers. One of their name is Charlie and I think it's, I don't know, but we're gonna call her Charlie. Hi guys!
I'm Princess Cadence!
She is Princess Cadence. Princess Celestia. This is Liam's. Sorry. But super rarity. We'll have to give that back to him the next time we see him.
There's another rarity.
That's regular rarity.
Oh, I'm Pretzel Pony.
Pretzel Pony.
And I'm a unicorn.
Oh, she is. Not Pretzel Pony.
I'm Minty Pony.
Minty Pony. She's an Earth Pony. An Earth Pony. Lyra, but we sometimes call her Heartbeat because she's got a heart. And she has been bitten by a bear.
I'm the Countess. La 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 la.
Countess. All right. Well, that is all for this box of toys.
Goodbye, Foggy.
Goodbye, vlog. Camera's right there, babe.
Oh.
Boom.